drink too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that are old as time, words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause right now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper these words as you lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These true words, they could change your life forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end time. Today I finally find the courage deep inside just to walk right up to your door. But my body can't move when I finally get to it, just like 1,000 times before. Then without a word, he handed me this letter. Read, I hope this finds the way into your heart. It said, I love you. Please say you love me too. These true words, they can change your lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end time. Well, maybe I need a love, and maybe I need a little care, yeah. And maybe you, oh, you need somebody just to hold you. If you do, just reach out and I'll be there. Please say you love me too. These true words, they can change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together. Oh, love you. Please say you love me too. Say you love me too. Oh, baby, love together, together forever. I will be your light, shining bright, shining through your eyes. My baby, say